So you've done the AC to DC conversion on your Navi, or you have upgraded to nice aftermarket headlights. You have this nice white stark light from your headlights, but you have this weird, gross, vintage yellow light coming from your gauges, and you want to fix that. Well, I'm about to tell you how to fix that today. Lego. So I have got the Sylvania LED lights, 194. You can get these at most any auto parts store, online, wherever you can get the best deal. You can typically find these for under $20. These were in a 2-pack. In order to install these, which they are just, they just bloop, we are going to need to take off the headlight and the housing around it. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to take off the headlight, we're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to remove these little pegs, which just pop out with your fingies. There's one. There we go. Boop, boop. Now we're just gonna lift up on this portion, tuck this out. It's out. Now that you've got your headlight removed, the gauge bulb is right here. Just that little guy. You just pull him out. Just get a little leverage and just kind of yank it out. There it is. Now we're just gonna pry this guy out. Oh no, it's slippery. Gotta stick my nail up underneath here. There we go. It came right out. Out with the old and in with the new. That's what you get right there. This is a directional bulb. I'm gonna test this first to see if it pops on real quick. Moment of truth. Hey, it works, cool. So if this does not work, just take it out and turn it around and put it back in. We're gonna plop it back in here. Wow, that was easy. So now all we have to do is just put the headlight back in its designated seat and just put it all back together. Where did that go? Oh, there it is, found it. So yeah, that is all there is to it. Now you have a nice white light that matches your headlight and it doesn't look so yellow. Yeah, do the like, subserve and divert. Yeah, cool, love you. Bye. Is that it? Is that good? Cool. I don't know.